Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Lidl Plus. First, download the free Lidl Plus app from your device's app store. Next, register your account with your email and select your favorite Lidl store. Finally, activate your digital card within the app to unlock all the fantastic benefits and start saving immediately on your groceries. It's a simple process to get you started. To maximize your savings, always remember to scan your digital Lidl Plus card at the checkout. Before you shop, browse the app for weekly coupons and activate the ones you want to use. After each purchase, you can play the scratch and win game directly in the app for a chance to earn even more discounts on future visits. These features help you save money effortlessly. Lidl Plus keeps all your receipts digital, making it easy to access them anytime directly in the app. This feature helps you track your spending and review past purchases without needing paper copies. Beyond receipts, the app also provides special offers and promotions that are often tailored to your shopping habits, ensuring you get relevant deals. It's a smart way to manage your shopping. For the best experience, always ensure your Lidl Plus app is updated to its latest version, as this provides access to new features and performance improvements. If you encounter issues with coupons not loading, double-check your internet connection. Sometimes a quick refresh or restart of the app can resolve minor glitches. And for more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.